Hey, good morning, Jim Hartman, Secret Garden Bees. So it's day one of our harvest preparation, and so what we do today is we get the honey supers ready for getting the bees out of them, so we can actually get to the honey. And the way we do that is with a device called a bee escape. So all this is a board that has this nice little hole on one side, and the other side it has basically a bee maze. So the bees can get into the hole and exit pretty easily, but they can't find their way back in. So what we do is, and what you'll see out there doing is, we have the brood boxes down below, which are these deeps. That's where the bees live. And on top of that, you'll see the honey supers, the smaller ones. That's where they put their honey. That's where we want to take, and we want to get the bees out of it. And so what you'll see us doing is, we'll pull these honey supers off. We'll put this bee escape on, and then we'll put this back on top. And at night, the bees will leave the honey super